What's good, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. It's Kay, and today I want to show you this unit by Celie hair that I am currently obsessed with, mainly because I did not have to do a lot to this wig to make it look good. Okay, so the first thing is I got this satin bag. I love the ones from Celie hair because they are humongous. I can fit so many wigs in there, and I use these for storage. And in the actual box, you see like the lace wig itself. I'm going to show you guys the wig, of course, but Celie hair gave me so many goodies that I want to show you what came in the box. So this is the info card that you get from Celie hair when you buy your wig, but I want to show you, girl, they gave me so many goodies, like girl, I've got so much in here. So this info card basically has everything you need, from hair care instructions to what's in your box to their social media. There's just there's so much in there, you know. And then they also give you this elastic band that has like Celie hair on it, and they give you Celie hair branded lashes as well. Like, these lashes are actually kind of cute, girl. Like, actually, they're cute. And then my favorite surprise is yet another bonnet. This one is a bit big. I actually really like the fact that it's bigger because it can fit like longer hair. It's in this red color. I don't have a red one. I'm very obsessed with bonnets, if you don't know. I love them. I have them in every color. And then the last thing, well, I think it's the last thing, they gave me this headband, which I'm going to be using because I wear a lot of headband wigs, and I like this color. I like the vibe of this headband. And then they also gave me wig caps, which always comes in clutch, but this is the lace unit itself. They gave me this 24-inch of water wave hair. I absolutely love the fact that the info is on the plastic, so screenshot this if you like the hair and you want to order, but you really don't have to because everything's in the description box. But this is the hair straight out the box. Look at the shine, baby. So the hair straight out the box is a little bit longer, but I know once I just find the curls and everything, it's going to be shorter. So this is how your hair comes protected, guys. It's got the hairnet first, and then it's got like this shaper plastic paper thing that helps your hair not lose its shape. And then it's also got this other shaper thing for the lace, right? So this is the curl pattern straight out the box. Pardon me, it's actually not a water wave, it's a deep wave kind of situation. This is the lace. This is how the wig looks inside. So yeah, I think that the lace came very standard. There are clips, very nicely sewn tracks. Everything looks very, you know, up to par quality. This is the hairline. I did have to pluck a little bit, but I really didn't have to do a lot. You'll see when it's on my head. But yeah, this is the shine. I love this hair, guys. It's so pretty. Excuse me for my voice, guys. Like, I don't know what's happening. It's just not okay. But yeah, I'm going to like break the curls and install the hair and wash it and bleach it, and I will be back. Alright, so this is the hair. It's dried up, and I'm going to be installing. I cut the lace and everything. I tinted it. It's literally ready to go at this point. This is how it looks when it's been washed, and it just goes straight on my hair. I'm going to obviously install it with you guys so you can see what I do to it. So I am going to tie my hair away from my face. I just find that this makes my install process so much better. Yeah, I prefer this. And then I'm going to start the actual install. I still use Got2b. I'm never gonna change. It works so well. I'm going to put a couple of thin layers around my hairline. I know it might look like I'm putting it directly on my hair, like my baby hair, but my baby hair is just, I can't explain it. Like, I can't escape it when I'm installing. But obviously my installs are zero damage. I don't use like real glue. I just use Got2b. Once that is tacky, I'm going to lay it down, and I'm going to press it down and comb it out. And I'm also going to just, you know, I'm going to keep drying it so that it like dries out. If I need any Got2b, I'm just going to add it. And then you're going to see me at the end kind of prep my hair for sleep. I'm going to put on my bonnet and everything, and you can see how I go to bed when I'm wearing a wig. Okay, so it is the next morning and I'm just gonna take off what I, prepped at night. I'm gonna style my hair now. I was recording videos, so I wanted my hair to look bomb. I have kind of recorded this process on my Instagram. Do check out my Instagram reels. It wasn't this hair, but it was like the same kind of vibes. So the first thing I do is I detangle the hair and then I wet it down with the spray bottle that I got from Discam. It works really, really well to define the curls. You can do anything with deep wave hair, but I just wanted to define the curls. And then I used mousse, and then on top of that I went in with some gel. So I'm just gonna do that again all over my head. So it's detangle, mousse, it's detangle, water, mousse, and then the gel. And I'm just gonna do that across my entire head. And there you have it, you guys. This is the finished product. I let my hair kind of air dry, so yeah, it's looking a bit poofy, which is what I love. But girl, can you see that hairline? Can you see the lace? Undetectable period, okay? So if you guys like this hair, because I know I'm going to be wearing this hair all summer long, it just gives very much summer vibes. I love that about it. So yeah, this is the length after defining the curls. So yeah, everything about this hair is going to be in the description, guys. I know when I post a unit that kind of looks like this, people are knowing girl, is giving very much summer, and it really is. So go into my description box if you are looking for this hair. I'll have all the details for you guys, and if I have a discount code, it's also going to be there. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you in my next video.